Akenimi more for short. Princeway. So I am Mrs. Princeway.
As soon as party APC they prepare to come out one man, we go carry on a flag for the election we will take place for November. What thing in your mind when you want to tell us and take the prepare?
You know, so we will be next level government. As you see the performance of the next level from the national, you will see the APC government, the plenty campaign things that they don't do for the land. Then they do akidiba things for the land. They change everything. Everything they take better face now. Development, in the area of development. The economy, it don't shoot high. Everybody now witness. Every human being, where they breathe this fresh air, where God give us freely, is a witness of the good works where this administration, APC, this in the next level in Abuja, they do. And now that same thing, now we want make it affect the South. The good work of the national, APC national next level government of Muhammadu Buhari and Osibanjo. We want those good things for make it affect the South. So this election where they come, we don't start this preparation since. You know, say we would use our head. It will be party where they use our head. We don't they do indoor meeting upon meeting. They strategize until they call it now. So now we are ready to take over, to remove the PDP government waiting for this land. Where one make hungry kill the people for the land. The voice of the ordinary Bayelsa man don't cry, so God don't hear him. Now he make God say the time don't come. And when God say time don't come, no human hand if it say anything otherwise. So this is the set time for the APC government in Bayelsa State come November 16th to take over the land of Bayelsa State.
Okay, you know the fear say other parties too they plan their own, make it easy they come back to power. You know get that kind of fear from money.
When you say other party, you go specifically call one party now. Other party then we plenty then there. Where then there now? The party then where they hear them plenty, but which one where you get for mind? Me, the one where I get for mind, where they now the one where they for power. We won't come out so for us. Their name now People's Democratic Party. This government, the government we won't go. Now them, now me, our party, APC, for the land of Bayelsa State, now them we want to move. And we don't they set to throw away them for government. So go give the people of the land better things.
Okay, which advice you get for people where go carry their vote to move, where go come out one person, where go carry a flag? Which advice you get for them?
Oh, you know, so our party where they united though. There no say unity in our watchword for this party. We get one understanding, we work in love for this party. And so, yeah, I know say nobody will really go happen. No. At the end of the day, different people don't come to buy phone, we know. But at the end of the day, now only one person go fly the flag of the party. Because we know they like Ururu, now they follow the law-abiding party. Anything where the law talk, we know they fast forward. We know they do otherwise. Because our people, we they united. And so at the end, we are united in unity. Obama said there's synergy. So that same synergy, that strength, that understanding, now we go capture the government. And so they are all together. At the end of the day, we all go come together and do the needful to deliver the goods.
As you be a woman leader for Bayelsa, which plan you get for women so that when the APC governorship candidate go, which plan you get for women so that women no become marginalized for the APC government?
Plenty things there. Like for the national, you go see the lofty, plenty projects. Where then they do? You know, for APC, we get any category you want. For people who go to school, then professors, then they master degree holders, then they first degree, any level you want, we get for this party. You can see different schemes where they go on now. For the common man, like the market woman, who no go school, who no sabi grammar, government they give them petty loans, now, soft loans now. They take help their businesses. It don't they since the first administration. We still they on. In the area of agriculture, there are a lot of loans now. Government ready to give loans. And so we, the women, will be the majority. Anytime we reach election, you know, so that our number na plenty pass. So the women self, they know say, these kind of people, why don't they do this kind of better things? Now we don't reach our turn for grassroots for this Bayelsa State, Niger Delta. You don't reach our turn. We need to key into this better way the government they do. So that better go reach them. Those you don't reach them already. So most of them don't they partake in them. But when the government comes sit, say now we there for center for the state. So now we they lead the state. That number go increase. Soft loans day in the form of agric to petty businesses, even self. We will encourage the women when not go school. Adult education day, I get that kind of plan. Adult education, we go plan that kind of plan. We say the ones when not reach go school, no time, you never let for anybody to go school. We go put them into those kind of programs so that they go fit write the Abo, Kodo, ABCD, then go sabi them, write them before you know they go begin read newspaper. We get those kind of plans for them.
But the PDP once stop say make market women make them no collect money for the federal government. Say that they use them for election. How you think for that?
That kind of talk na sensible talk. That kind of talk no make sense na mumu talk na. That kind of talk na mumu talk. I go say make women no collect money. Women when you know they fit pay salaries they have to pay their husbands na problem. As life hard for the women self, you go they cut their salary. Pensioners you know they fit take care of them. Now you say waiting. Make them not collect waiting. Make them not collect money to better their life, to add to their business. Those money the government they give them to take go to election. Those money the government they give them say make una take add to this small petty business where you they do. Or you they do. So that it go improve your business. You go get more interest. And as they give you, will give you 10,000 today, you fit use and well. We see say you use and well. Tomorrow we'll give you 20,000. From 20 we give you 30. That's what the program did. Not be said they start with 10, they end with 10. Not be so. So why that advice not make sense? Now we get government, and I go tell somebody that kind of thing say, no take something to better your life. And now they cry when the women of the land they cry since. Then they cry, oh, then they call God. God say, child, my children, don't come down for now. I don't bring savior for now. For as APC. APC is going to remove the tears, wipe the tears from your eyes.
Okay, lastly, which advice you get for all the women and the men and the children of Bayelsa State?
Make them vote the right thing. You know, say this God, what would they serve? Him they interested in our hearts. Make you not allow these people who don't collect on our money, them thief and keep all these years. When they fit help on in any way, even when they government and then they help. Now they can't carry the money, come out from where they hide them, say they won't carry them, give on them, make them deceive on them, so that to buy on our vote. So that day they don't keep the money one corner, say they go they carry give on them to buy on our conscience. Make on not sell on our votes. Tell them say enough is enough. If they bring the money, collect them. When you reach for the line, make you press the right thing. Press for APC. That will bring smile on the face of Bayelsans and it will give you a better and a brighter future. Thank you very much.
Your name again once again.